Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, let's chat about my YouTube journey. I want to share with you all the things that I've learned up till my monetization and what it's actually like to be finally monetized. So let's go through a little history on my YouTube journey. So I actually started this YouTube journey as a hobby. I just wanted to share my digital planners with people as a side to my shop. After showing my products and stuff, I didn't really know how YouTube worked, but the first weeks and I guess months that I uploaded my first video, it was pretty dead. No one was really watching them. I would share them through my community, but I didn't really think too much of YouTube growth until one of my videos blew up. It wasn't viral, but it did way better than all my other videos. So I started thinking maybe there's something to this. And when I started, it was actually 4 years ago. It sparked an interest in me in YouTube content making, but I didn't know a strategy yet. I still had to figure out how the algorithm worked and what kind of videos actually did well. So I posted a few more videos blindly after that, and because one video did really well, I gained a lot of subscribers too, and they were all interested in the same thing. So when I uploaded my next video, it actually got good, decent views. And then I continued to share it to my community. So it got a lot more eyes on it. And of course, for people that are interested in my videos, it did really well because I found a niche that I could share my videos to in the beginning. And then after that, I just had no idea what to create anymore. Was busy in my personal life and somewhat burnt out on creating content. This tends to be a reoccurring theme for me where I get really intense for like 2 weeks and then I just burn myself out thinking of videos to make, content to make, and that just really turned me off the whole time. So that was just a cycle of how I would come back and leave and come back and leave the last 4 years. So because I was inconsistent, I wanted to be more present in my personal life. So I didn't want to spend too much time on YouTube. And so my growth was inconsistent, but because of some of the videos that did really well, it kept my channel alive. And so every time I come back, I was like, I want to do this again. And throughout this whole time in the beginning, the monetization goal was still 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours. And halfway through the last 4 years, I think, to finally changed to be only 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So I made the first tier just recently. I was happy I finally reached that milestone, and my main goal was actually to reach the monetization for the ads. I still have a little ways to go. I'm not there yet, but since I've reached my first monetization goal, I can show you what exciting things actually happened for my channel. The reality of this is that you are open now to set up memberships. So you can charge other people for membership on your channel, and you can introduce perks for your fans, and you can also integrate shopping to your channel. So if you have a Shopify store or something, you can link it here. And these are the approved shops that you can link to, and I don't have any shops yet, but if you were like a lifestyle creator, then you can link some merch to sell. I don't have any of that set up yet. As a YouTube creator now, what has been enabled to me is membership, supers, and shopping. And I do not have the criteria to do ads yet, but these are extra features that you can make money on your own. Other than that, there are extra features that are present for YouTube creators once you've made program, and I think it's actually beneficial because it protects your content a bit. And this is the copyright section. So I didn't have the copyright section before, and once I was a YouTube creator, they value your content a little bit more. So you can actually get notices if people are just copying your videos straight up and uploading them and reusing your content. Funny enough, I actually got a notification and someone was uploading my video in full to their channel. And because I found this out, I'm also able to submit a request for them to take it down. And all other future videos of this that are uploaded by other people, you'd be notified and your video would be protected. So all your hard work is not gone to waste. So yeah, I think that's one cool feature to have as a YouTube content creator. You're like in this special group where they pay more attention to your content and protect you as a creator. So let's talk about how much I've made so far since being monetized at the first tier. And now's the time for what you've all been waiting for, finding out how much I've made since I got into the creators program at the first tier. And I don't know if this is a surprise to you guys, but the answer is I have made nothing so far. I have not really set up my supers. I have not really set up a shop, and I have not really set up a membership. And I also feel like not a lot of people would be interested in paying those add-ons to my video anyways. Right now, I've actually made $0 since getting into the YouTube Creator Program, which I don't think it's a surprise to a lot of people. And right now, I'm still waiting to go into to reach the minimum for the YouTube monetization, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I'm very close to the 4,000 watch hours. I'm hoping I get it next month. And right now, all the videos that I've uploaded is for free. I'm not earning anything on any videos yet. So the reality that it's not really worth it to get to the first tier unless you are some crazy popular influencer that people would just freely give you supers and pay for your membership and buy your merch. But as a tutorial channel, that really doesn't do anything for me. But it's just a nice milestone to hit on the way to getting the ad monetization. Yeah, I hope this clears everything up. Just because I have been accepted into the creators program, it doesn't mean I am making money right away. I'm still waiting for the day that I get accepted into the ad monetization, and hopefully by then I will be making some money and being paid for my effort on here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.